In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your custom agent in Microsoft Copilot Studio to an Excel file so it can read and respond with your data. To get started, make sure your Excel file is stored in either OneDrive for Business or SharePoint. That part is important because Copilot Studio needs to access the file through a supported cloud location. Also, check that your data is formatted as an official Excel table, not just a simple range of cells. If your data is not set up as a table, the connector may not recognize it properly, so it's worth confirming this before you move on. Next, sign into Microsoft Copilot Studio and open the agent you want to use for the setup. If you don't already have one prepared, you can create a new agent and continue from there. Once you're inside the correct agent, head over to the Topics tab. This is where you define how your agent responds during a conversation. From the Topics area, choose the specific topic where you want the Excel data to be used. Then click the plus icon to add a new node. This is where you'll connect your topic to Excel so the agent can pull in data during the conversation flow. When the node options appear, choose Call an Action. In the search bar, look for the Excel Online connector, and then select the Get Rows action. This action is what allows your agent to retrieve information directly from the Excel table you prepared earlier. After that, configure the action by selecting the correct location, either your OneDrive for Business or your SharePoint site. Then browse to the file using the folder path and select the exact Excel file you want to use. Once the file is chosen, pick the specific table name that contains the data your agent should read. Be careful here because selecting the correct table ensures your responses are based on the right information. Once the action is in place, add a message node immediately after it. In that message, use the dynamic outputs provided by the connector to display the retrieved data. This is the part that lets your agent actually present the Excel information back to the user in a conversation. Finally, save your topic and open the test pane on the side. Trigger the conversation and check whether the agent reads the Excel data correctly. Testing is a key final step because it helps you confirm that the connection works and that the returned data appears the way you expect. Now you know how to give your Copilot Studio agent access to Excel data, so go ahead and try it out in your own projects.